We've been through our share of contractors, kitchen solvers, came in here with a plan and organization, and this is what was going to happen, and we really appreciated that, and we really thought your process was amazing.
How kitchen solvers differ is that they deliver on what they said they were going to do. Again, we've had some bad experiences in the past, and we were sceptical going into a process which involved transforming the whole house essentially, and the kitchen solvers just delivered on what they said they were going to deliver and exceeded our expectations.